This is very easy. We will use the latest version of Java, which is JDK 11. So this video was prepared for Windows 10, but it's not important which version of Windows you have in order to install Java. Don't worry, because the settings are all the same. So now go to your favorite search engine, which is Google, and search Java JDK 11. And in the search results page, choose the first link, and you'll see the Java Standard Edition Development Kit 11 downloads page on the Oracle site. Now, there are a lot of download links on this page. So my system is a 64-bit operating system, and if you know your operating system type, you can choose the .exe version that will best suit you. If you don't know your operating system, you don't know whether it's 32 or 64-bit, just click the search button on your desktop and write device specifications into the search box, and you'll see your operating system type in the system type section. Okay, so let's go back, and we've returned to the installation page. Now we have to choose Accept License Agreement as our option to start the download. And of course, we choose the .exe version of Java for Windows operating system. And there goes the download starting. So it takes a little while according to whatever network speed you're working with. But now, as if magically, the download has been completed. So open this file, and we are now ready to install the JDK 11 on, my system. Hopefully you're following along and you're ready to do it with your system. Otherwise, just pause the video and I'll wait for you. All right, so click this button, Next, and click the next button again. Installing Java on the system, it takes a while according to not only your network, but your system performance as well. Okay, yes. Java JDK 11 is now successfully installed in the system, and we can go ahead and click that close button. All right, so after installation of Java, we have got to set up the environment variable. So in order to do this, open up the control panel and then choose System and Security section and click on System. Now, do you see that on the left-hand side, click Advanced System Settings, and then click the option Environment Variables. Now, on the System Variables, select the Path option. Now, just double-check to be sure that the Path option is the one in System Variables, and then click on the Edit button. Okay, so now we have to add Java JDK location into our system. So for that, search PC, and then open the C drive and choose Program Files, the Java folder, and JDK 11, and go to the bin folder. All right, so now copy this path from the address bar and return to the environment variable page and click New. Okay, good. So paste the path to this location and click OK. And all of these pages, and then close all of them. Now open up the command prompt to check and write Java-version on the command prompt. And if everything goes right, you will see the last version of Java. Congratulations, your screen looks like this, right?